If you don't like short-lived pets but still love animals, then check this out. First up, we have corals. Believe it or not, some corals can live up to 4,000 years. That's right, these underwater wonders are ancient. Next, meet Ming the clam. Ming lived for about 507 years. Imagine the stories it could tell. Now onto the Galapagos tortoise. These majestic creatures can live over 177 years. That's older than the United States. Ever heard of the bowhead whale? These Arctic giants can surpass 200 years of age. Talk about a whale of a tale. Finally, we have the koi fish. Some koi have been documented to live up to 200 years. That's a lot of birthdays for a little fish. So there you have it, folks. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and these long-lived legends are proof of that. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible animal facts.